Here's a 2016 Toyota Tundra. Engineered in Michigan, assembled in Texas, this tough, powerful, and safe Tundra is ready for the heat, cold, and everything in between. When you demand raw, stump-pulling, boat-towing, camper-hauling, cargo-tugging power, Tundra's fuel-efficient I-Force V8 engine is all you'll need. Keyless entry allows easy access to a roomy, detailed interior with extra space for cargo and a large touchscreen for Entune audio and Bluetooth. Plus, when the crosswinds kick up, your hitched gear stays on the road safely with Tundra's trailer sway control, which automatically applies proper braking while warning drivers around you to stay at a safe distance. The Tundra serves you all day and all weekend. Come and take this rugged truck for a test drive.
Fred Haas Toyota World has been a hallmark of our community for more than 40 years. We're easy to find on I-45 North at Louetta, just 2 miles north of 1960.